You can get started as a tax lien certificate investor with one short workshop for just $47 and make some of the best, safest, secure returns of any investment available today. I will give you a step-by-step process to follow so you can understand how to make these investments anywhere in the United States and the returns you can make. There are a ton of profit to be made on properties without taking on debt, without dealing with tenants, and without spending months or years on a single project. I've helped thousands of people unlock the huge potential in tax lien certificates and to start making these investments. It can be a side hustle. It can boost your retirement income. Or if you're like me, it can be a whole successful career. So how do you make money with tax certificates? Every property owner needs to pay property tax to the local government. And this money is used to pay local services like schools, school teachers, fire services, policing, and so on. So when the property owners don't pay their taxes, the local government issues a tax lien certificate to recover the lost income. You buy the tax certificate, you get a guaranteed return of up to 60%, 18%, 24%, which is different in every state and county. Everybody wins. You get a guaranteed return. The local government receives the money they need to run all your local services. The property owner gets time to repay what they owe, so they don't just lose the property immediately. However, if the property owner ultimately does not pay what they owe, the local government will award the property with no mortgage. You own the property outright. I conduct a $47 online workshop. It's called Retire Rich from Home, so anyone can learn the basics of tax lien certificates and see how to earn safe, secure income. We're not going to make you an expert in one day, but you'll learn more than enough to understand for yourself and be able to find and make these investments in your local area or nationwide. We made Retire Rich from Home for only $47, so it's affordable for everyone. This is really something anyone can do when they know how. It's not difficult. It's not complicated. We'll help you with any questions you have. All you need to do is follow the steps. You'll see how to make amazing returns using tax lien certificates. So click the link and let us help you retire rich from home.